Edco Scabblers are air-powered concrete removal machines that hammer piston-mounted accessories into concrete surfaces. Depending on concrete strength, Edco Scabblers can remove up to 250 square feet per hour of concrete at a 1/4 inch per pass. This makes Scabblers ideal for drastic removal jobs, such as creating wheelchair access ramps, sidewalk removal and leveling, and breaking up ceramic tile. They will also prepare surfaces for new coverings, remove epoxy, roughen surfaces preventing slip hazards, and other heavy-duty applications. Edco manufactures the 5-bit CD5, the 3-bit CD3, and the Gutter Gator side Scabbler models. Preparing Edco Scabblers for operation is simple. Begin by tipping the machine back and installing the accessories. There are 2 accessories available for all Edco Scabblers, the 5-point Carbide bit and the 9-point Carbide bit. The 5-point Carbide can penetrate concrete surfaces up to a 1/4 inch per pass and leaves a rough texture. They are ideal for drastic removal, removing floor coverings, and concrete leveling. The 9-point Carbide penetrates surfaces up to an 1/8 inch per pass and leaves a medium texture. They are ideal for creating bond textures for coverings like epoxy and urethane, leveling uneven concrete joints, and general concrete applications. Both the 5 and 9-point accessories fit the Gutter Gator, which is specifically designed to restore proper water flow to concrete gutters. Its side-positioned accessories work right against gutter walls, eliminating crevices where standing water pools. The Gutter Gator can also be used for some general Scabbler applications. To install these accessories onto the Edco Scabblers, begin by taking off the brush shroud. Then slide the bits onto the air pistons, lining up the holes running through each. Use a hammer and a punch to drive the accessory roll pin through the bit and piston. Because of the powerful force of its hammering action, removing expired accessories is difficult. Edco has developed this Scabbler bit removal tool to help. To remove, hammer out the roll pin and use a tool in this manner. Thoroughly clean the pistons before installing new accessories and reinstall the shroud. After installing, tip the machine forward and connect the air compressor. All Edco Scabblers require a compressed air output of 150 CFM at 90 PSI or larger. Connect the air supply hose to the connector on the machine through the Edco WHIPCHEK safety cable. 150 CFM at 90 PSI is a large air output, causing the hose, which if dislodged during operation, to become a safety hazard. The WHIPCHEK prevents the hose from shooting off the Scabbler. This pin running through the hose and the machine is an extra safety feature. Attach a 3-inch vacuum hose to the machine's vacuum port. Airborne dust is harmful. Edco recommends its line of vacuum systems for safe dust prevention. Turn on the air compressor and fully open the air valve to begin operating. The Scabbler will immediately begin hammering the surface. For the most part, move the machine side to side, back and forth. This technique allows the accessories to work correctly. Simple maintenance will ensure the Scabbler runs properly. Always check the machine for damage or loose hoses before operation. Check hydraulic oil levels before each use. Open the cap on the lubricator to inspect the hydraulic oil level monitor. The level should be set to 2.5 for the CD5 and Gutter Gator, while the level should be set to 1.5 for the CD3. Inspect levels through this lubricator window. Add lightweight hydraulic oil when needed. If oil leaks out from the accessories, there may be too much oil in the lubricator, or the monitor level may need to be decreased. If accessories jam, try increasing the monitor level. Always clean the accessories and the entire Scabbler after every job. Concrete dust accumulates fast. For more information and to view all Edco training videos, visit edcoinc.com and Edco's YouTube channel. Call Edco customer service at 800-638-3288. 3326.